Alright class, ngayon pag-usapan naman natin ang randomness. Ang randomness ay nangangahulugan na walang predictable na pattern. Ibig sabihin, hindi natin kayang hulaan ng eksakto kung ano ang susunod na result. Halimbawa, kapag nag-toss tayo ng coin o nag-roll ng die, bawat result ay uncertain. Maaring heads, maaring tails, maaring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Kahit ilang beses pa natin ulitin ang experiment, hindi natin kayang sabihin ng sigurado kung ano ang lalabas sa susunod. So, tandaan ninyo, randomness means walang fixed pattern at ang results ay uncertain. Tingnan natin ang example ng randomness. Isipin ninyo na nagtatos tayo ng coin many times. Maaring lumabas ang heads o tails sa bawat toss. Minsan, sunod-sunod ang heads. Minsan naman, tails ang lalabas. Pero kahit ilang beses pa natin gawin ang coin toss, hindi natin kayang hulaan ng eksakto kung ano ang susunod na result. Iyan ang ibig sabihin ng randomness. Walang fixed pattern at bawat result ay uncertain. So, tandaan ninyo, sa random experiments tulad ng coin toss, we cannot predict each individual outcome. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang isang important concept sa probability. Ito ang tinatawag na independent events. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng independent events? Simple definition muna. Independent events mean that one event does not affect another event. Ibig sabihin, ang nangyari kanina walang epekto sa mangyayari ngayon. Separate sila. Let's use a simple example. Imagine, nagtatos tayo ng coin. First toss, heads. Now question, does the first toss change the probability ng second toss? Hindi. The probability is still 1/2 or 0.5. Even if ang first toss ay heads, even if tails, even if nakakuha ka ng heads 5 times in a row, the probability of the next toss is still 1/2. Why? Because each toss is independent. Each toss starts fresh. Coins have no memory. Hindi sila nag-iisip ng, uy, naka-heads ako kanina. Tails naman ngayon. Hindi ganun ang probability. Every toss is just another random event. Let's make that clearer. Suppose, nag-toss tayo ng coin 2 times. First toss, heads. Second toss, question. Nagbago ba ang probability ng second toss dahil heads ang una? Hindi. The probability of heads is still 50%. The probability of tails is still 50%. So kahit heads ang first toss, the second toss still has 50% chance of heads and 50% chance of tails because the events are independent. Alright class, quick check tayo. Randomness means what? Option A, no predictable pattern. Option B, no outcomes exist. Option C, always 50%. Option D, guaranteed results. Pause muna. Think. Does randomness mean walang outcomes? Hindi. May outcomes pa rin. Does randomness mean always 50%? Hindi rin. Hindi lahat ng probabilities ay 50%. Does randomness mean guaranteed results? Opposite nga eh. Randomness means walang predictable pattern. Hindi natin kayang sabihin with certainty kung ano ang next result. So the correct answer is option A, no predictable pattern. Next question. Two coin tosses are independent because what? Option A, first toss controls the second option B. Each toss does not affect the other. Option C, they are predictable. Option D, coins. Remember past results. Think logically. Does the first toss control the second toss? Hindi. Predictable ba yung coin toss? Hindi rin. Do coins remember past results? Hindi sila tao. Wala silang memory. Independence means one event does not affect the other. So the correct answer is option B. Each toss does not affect the other. Now here's a very common mistake in human thinking. believing that tails is already due after many heads. Halimbawa, nag-toss tayo ng coin. Heads, 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 heads. Then someone says, tails na next, sure na yan. Why do people think that? Because they believe the results must balance immediately, but that is not how probability works. Each coin toss is independent. Past outcomes do not change future probability. The probability of tails is still 1/2. This mistaken belief is called the gambler's fallacy. Common ito sa casinos, common din sa gambling, at minsan, common din sa everyday thinking natin.